Hi everyone! Today I'd like to share my delicious fluffy pancake recipe. They're so easy to prepare with simple ingredients that you likely have at home. So let's get started. For our dry ingredients, I'm adding 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Give it all a quick mix and set aside. You can also add a pinch of salt if you prefer. For our wet ingredients, combine 3 egg yolks, a quarter cup of Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and 1 cup of milk. Give that a mix and set aside. The yogurt makes them moist and tender, making it a great alternative to buttermilk. I'm not adding any sugar to the batter as I prefer maple syrup or honey on top of my pancakes, but if you do like them sweeter, you can definitely add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Beat the egg whites till soft peaks form. Set aside. Add your wet mixture to your dry and mix until just combined. The batter will not look smooth, but that's what we want. Over-mixing will result in a tough, flat pancake. Fold in a small portion of the egg white and then add the rest and fold in gently. This helps to incorporate the egg whites more easily. I like to add a little avocado oil in my pan and cook them on medium heat. Once you start to see the bubbles forming on top, you know they're ready to flip. These pancakes are fluffy, tender, and moist. A perfect breakfast treat. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you soon.